What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to do with you guys. This package was actually sent by Shaker MT, or Harry Gage, which is another name that you guys are probably very familiar with on this channel. Much like Jeff, he provides a lot of amazing stuff for all of us to take a look at. So without further ado, let me go ahead and call upon the powers of the Rainbow Lady of the Sea to open this box. Now, as you know, she is imbued with the power of every unboxing, nearly every unboxing on this channel. Once I acquired her, she became the exclusive apparatus for said unboxings. Very thick on the paper here, but nothing the lady can't handle. As you can see, I am demonstrating proper practice and care in cutting. So don't do as I do. Don't cut towards yourself. That's not something that anybody should do. We are almost into this. Just about. Let's cut there. That's the cut we needed to make. See, it's not that it wasn't the tool. It was user error, basically. Unfortunately for me, the Rainbow Mermaid did not come with an instruction manual. There is no such instruction manual for wielding such power. Okay, enough with the jokes. Here's the box. Whoops, sorry, shaking you all over the place. Let's go ahead and get into that there. Boy, rough time on the channel today. Let's go ahead and get into that. Rip that open. And what do we have? I cannot remember. Oh, tape. How do you pronounce this? Is it tape? Teep? I don't know. Here, let me get into this so we don't have the salt packages spilling out everywhere. I know that this is, number one, not something you guys can experience, and number two, not something that anyone cares about. But for whatever reason, that little pouch smells good. I don't know exactly what it is, but that makes me like them right off the bat. Okay, we have a little booklet. Or wait, it's not booklet. It's like a, it's the card for what it is. You know what? Let me look at it so that I know. Okay, now I know. Wait a minute. Oh, I thought that was made on my birthday. I was like, oh my gosh. Wow. Okay, yep, I remember. I remember, Harry. I've got so many, I'm looking at so much stuff throughout the day I can never remember. This is super cool. So this is called the Hornet, and it's an N690. I have to do, because it has the hole, yeah, that was built for that. That's awesome. That reacted exactly the way that I thought it would. Let's try the flipper. Perfect. Ooh, smooth. Smooth, super smooth, perfect. Centering, nice ceramic ball there on the pocket clip. Love that. Steel lock bar insert. Love the Tepe or Tape Designs logo there. Really nice. This is N690 steel, as you can see right there. Very big fan of the blade shape. Lots of different notches that you can rest your thumb in, definitely. I really like that little groove right there that allows you to get your finger in. Give you guys an example of the detent. Right there at the very end. This is a unique detent in that it doesn't suck it down from here or here or here or here. Look how close it gets to the end before it actually gets pulled in. Right there at the very tail end. Some nice holes there that have been milled out for aesthetic reasons and probably for a little bit of weight reduction. This is very beautiful and unbelievably functional. My first impressions of this are two thumbs way up, definitely. Can't wait to get into that review and talk about it some more, but as usual, it's just going to require me to play with it for a little bit before I can give thoughts. I know, right? Poor me. Anyways, guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, then please subscribe to my channel because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.